Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you still share your WordPress username and password with freelancer or agency? What if I told you this simple habit could put your entire site at risk? So, why you should never share your WordPress login? Because first thing is security risk. If you share your credential, it will give full control of your website. If something goes wrong, you have no clear way of tracking who made changes. Loss of ownership. The person you shared credential with could lock you out, change your password, or even delete content. Data privacy, and no accountability. So what is right way for handle these situation? So we can use temporary login without password plugin. So instead of sharing main login, we can create secure time limited access for freelancer or agency using free plugin. So this is free plugin, and we will use this plugin. So I will demonstrate how can use this plugin. So key feature of this plugin is no password sharing, set expiry time, assign user role, revoke anytime, no cleanup needed. It is very important. Suppose a freelancer agency finishes your work, the login link will expire in a few days, so there is no headache of deleting users or updating password afterward. So how to use it? So first go to plugins and search temporary login without password. Add new plugin and search, and it is by a store app. Now go to user and temporary login in WordPress dashboard and click create new and set the email address, etc. So I am just activate. Now it create two user at your end, so you can manage this link also, like at here you can see edit, and it is temp name, etc. And you can change role at here, like contributor or editor, which you want. And then you can give expiry time, like 3 days or 1 week, 1 month, and you can also give custom date at here, like up to 21, and click submit, and it will give. Now you can copy login link, and just I am log out from here, and now I can directly log in. So by this method there is no required for password, etc. And once the work is done, the link automatically expire, no manual cleanup required. So final thought, sharing your main WordPress login detail is like giving someone the keys to your entire home. Instead, protect your site by using secure tool like temporary login without password. This way you maintain control, security and accountability, and protect your site. Use the temporary login without password plugin instead of sharing login. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more smart WordPress security tips. Thank you.